Hey everyone, it's Black Woman Farmer here. I wanted to come by and answer a question that someone sent me. As you can see, my little barn cat is my shadow. Everywhere I go, she's right behind me. So the question is, what type of herbs should she grow? And, pardon me, young lady. And she wants quick, easy herbs where she can plant it and just forget about it. She does not want a big fuss. Kitty, I am trying to teach. And so I decided to do a little video on the top 5 herbs that I recommend that you plant in your garden so that you can have a constant source of tea or medicine or something that you can cook with. Number 1, my absolute favorite herb that I grow in abundance. And that herb is the one that you are looking at right now. Peppermint. Peppermint is, young lady, I'm trying to make a video. I'm working. That herb is peppermint. Peppermint is a beautiful herb. It's very aromatic. It's good for upper respiratory infection. It soothes your stomach. It's also very good for anxiety. It smells delicious. And just to calm your nerves, you can also just boil it and just let the aroma just waft through your house, and it instantly calms your nerves. Peppermint has been around for centuries. I grow it in abundance. It's wild now. It just started popping up again, which is this. Please do not plant it near your house or near your foundation. It does have a tendency to take over. It is highly invasive. I grow my peppermint along the fence line, which is what you're looking at here. This is my fence. On the opposite side of my fence is where I keep my bee houses. So I grow it away from my foundation, okay? So that's that. That's number 1. Let's walk and talk, shall we? Now, along the same line here, I have another herb that I am in love with that I also grow in abundance. And that herb is one that you're looking at right here, and that's lavender. Lavender is beautiful. It smells good. It's an anti-anxiety herb. I think this little guy survived the winter. We'll see if it grows like new leaves. I think it will, but we'll have to wait and see. Now, number 3. Pardon me, young lady. Excuse me. Thank you. Let's walk and talk. Is an herb that you are looking at right now. And this is in the onion family, and I highly recommend chives. I purchased this last season. And take a look and see what's growing in the dead of, well, technically winter is over. But it's still very cold. Hi, would you like to teach? Would you like to take over? Okay, I'm trying to teach people on what to grow. Thank you. As you can see, it's popping up even though the ground is frozen. And, excuse me, young lady. Pardon me, please, miss. Young lady, excuse me. Anyway, it does spread. Okay, it's going to grow very nice and tall, very similar to scallions, and it belongs in the onion family. Number 4. Let's walk and talk. Excuse me. Oh, my goodness. This is an herb that I have been in love with for a very long time. And even though there's nothing in there, actually, no, that's not true. There is some that's popping up right now. And there it is. This is lemon balm. And lemon balm is a member of the peppermint family. Some people also call it lemon mint. It is highly aromatic, absolutely delicious. I think the scientific name for this is Melissa. I use this in the summertime for tea. And the last herb that I recommend is, here it is. And I also grow this in incredible abundance. If this young lady could please excuse me so I can show it to you. And this is called catnip. Catnip is invasive. Please, again, do not plant this near your foundation of your house. It's really good at night for anxiety. It helps to just calm you down and put you to sleep. This is a very sought after herb that I sell at the farmer's market. The reason the reason why I began to grow catnip in abundance is because there are nights when I have trouble falling asleep. So I actually grow it for me. And of course, this young lady right here also likes catnip. Isn't that correct? So there you have it. Quick little video on what I recommend. This entire section right here next to the fence line is going to have to be cleaned up when the weather gets warmer. I typically do not like to disturb leaves, shrubs, and bushes because there are beneficial insects that are still in hibernation underneath all of this. We can't see them, but they're under there and they have children under there. So I really don't disturb anything until the weather warms up and they can then fend for themselves. So I will be leaving all of this probably until May, and that'll give them enough time to get themselves together. So I hope I've answered your question on herbs. Write to me. Let me know if you have any more questions, and I will see you in the next video. Say goodbye, kitty. Even though you interrupted me for this entire video, tell everyone goodbye.